by today, Ma'am Glades. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Gladys Roda Holo. I am 48 years old. I have 4 kids. I have 3 boys and 1 girl. I live from Cavite City. And
Alright, thank you. Then please tell me your educational background.
I am a high school graduate.
Alright. Then do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, ma'am. I have 3 brothers and 6 sisters.
Alright. And what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I am a married mom.
Okay. So how would you describe yourself?
I am a loyal, I am a honest, and I am understanding, and I am a loving mother.
Alright. And then may I know your reason why you want to apply abroad?
For my family, to support my children to school, and to help them, to support my children, and for my mother.
Alright. And then do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have, ma'am. First, I working in domestic helper from Saudi Arabia.
Alright. And then did you finish your contract as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia.
My duties and responsibilities in Saudi Arabia, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, ironing, and marketing, and taking care of children.
Alright, thank you. Then aside from Saudi Arabia, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have, ma'am. 2 years in Qatar. My duties and responsibilities in Qatar, doing laundry, ironing, cooking, and taking care of newborn baby.
Alright, thank you. Then did you finish your contract as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So aside from work experience abroad, do you have work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, I have, ma'am.
Alright. In what year?
2023 and 2025.
Alright. So can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as helper here in Philippines?
My duties here in Philippines, all cleaning the house, and marketing, and taking care of children, and any household chores.
Alright, thank you. Then, did you finish your contract here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you willing to take care of small children or newborn baby abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Alright. So how would you take care of naughty children or children with temper tantrums?
I'm taking care of calm down, and I think maybe play with them.
Alright. So how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
Maybe I think check the diaper, and maybe hungry. I need feed the baby, and I'm doing play with the baby.
Okay. So what will you do if you become homesick?
Make busy myself for work and finish my contract.
Okay. So are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you?
I'm a pet lover.
Alright, good. Then how do you describe your cooking skills?
Maybe Filipino dishes and Arabic dishes.
Alright.
And I know how to learn to make Chinese food.
Alright. So do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to cook up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Alright, so do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Glades, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, ma'am and sir. I am a Glades Rodahulo. Please choose me. I'm a honest, understanding, and patient. And I am a hardworking